Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm having a walk in my beautiful city Burgas. I absolutely love this city. Nice and hot, it's noisy, it's busy, and that's how I like it. Please enjoy my walk and my talk. Burgas is the fourth largest city in Bulgaria after Sofia, Plovdiv and Varna. But hey, this is the most beautiful city, the city with personality, the city it's on the Black Sea, that's European and it's just beautiful to live. Also, this is the city that we call it the most artistic city. We have a lot of artists, there's a lot of presentations, a lot of concerts, a lot of things happening in the theater. It's one of the best places if you want to visit different cultural presentations. More than 200,000 people live in Burgas. A lot of people move from different towns, small towns and other cities after the collapse of the socialism, and the city is just getting bigger and bigger. Burgas was recognized as the best place to live in Bulgaria in 2021. The city, it's very European, it's very safe, it is affordable, and there are a lot of nice people living here. A lot of people are running in the morning, through the day or in the evening next to the beach area. It's pleasant. The prices in the shops are very affordable. Please guys, pay attention. The beer costs you 70, 80 cents or $1. One leva, one Bulgarian leva. It's just very affordable. Guys, have a look at the prices, have a look at the quality of the fruits and veggies, and the taste, you just need to try it. And there you go, another walk through the sea garden. So the things you really need to see in Burgas are sea garden, definitely, then Poda protection area, the Holy Cross Armenian Church, the Archaeology Museum. You can see so many things from the past, from BC time. It's very, very interesting things that are found in the Black Sea. Please go and visit the museum, especially if you like archaeology and history. And then don't miss to see the Ethnographical Museum. It's all about the folk culture in Bulgaria. It's very interesting. In Burgas, there's always another coffee shop, another place where you can stop and have a drink, a coffee, or anything that you like. This is the place where you can meet your friends. You'll never get lost. It's very easy to find it. You can see people walking through the street, all day long. And another interesting place to visit in Burgas is the Sun Sclupture Festival.
Check him out.